Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start solution of chapter number 4, heat. Question number 1, define the following. Number 1, temperature. The degree hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Temperature क्या होता है? कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट की हॉटनेस या कोल्डनेस जो हम डिग्री में मेजर करते हैं उसे हम टेम्परेचर कहते हैं. गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट. The conductors material which allows heat to pass through them easily and speedily are called good conductors of heat. जो मटेरियल हीट को इजीली पास करने देती है और स्पीड में पास करने देते हैं उसे हम कंडक्टर्स कहते हैं. बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट. द मटेरियल विच do not allow heat to pass through them easily are bad conductors of heat. जो मटेरियल हीट को इजीली पास करने नहीं देते हैं उसे हम बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट कहते हैं. Choose the correct option. Which liquid is used in thermometer? Water, spirit, mercury or kerosene? It is option C, mercury. Which of the given object gets heated due to conduction? Milk, water, air or iron? It is iron. क्योंकि आयन जो होता है वो हीट को बहुत इजीली और क्विकली पास ऑन करता है. Which of the following substance is good conductor of heat? Ebonite, plastic, copper or wood? It is copper. Which of the following liquid is heated by conduction? Water, kerosene, mercury or milk? So mercury is heated by conduction. जैसे कि थर्मोमीटर को हमने हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में मेजर करने के लिए रखा तो बॉडी की वार्मथ यानी बॉडी की गर्मी से वो तुरंत ही मेल्ट होने लगता है, राइट. वो हीट करके हमें टेम्परेचर दिखाता है. By which mode of transfer of heat does the heat come to us from the sun? Conduction, convection, radiation or all of the above? It is radiation. The substance of which color absorbs maximum amount of heat? कौन सा कलर maximum amount of heat absorb करता है? White, green, red or black? It is black. The breeze which flows from the land towards the sea at night is known as weather breeze, sea breeze, land breeze or none of the given? It is land breeze. Ventilation in room occurs due to conduction, convection, radiation, all of this. It is due to convection. क्योंकि जब हम वेंटिलेशन ओपन करते हैं तो कूल एयर अंदर आती है और वार्म एयर वेंटिलेशन से बाहर निकलती है. Fill in the blanks. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. It is temperature. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. It cannot be measured by clinical thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees dash. It is Celsius. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. It is radiation. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its another end by the process of dash. Conduction. Conduction से heat easily transfer होती है. Cloth of dash color absorb more heat better than cloths of light color. It is dark. State whether the following statements are true or false. The unit of heat is degrees Celsius. False. Heat cannot be transmitted in solid substance. False. When we pour milk in a vessel for heating, the vessel gets heated by conduction. True. Mercury, that is Hg, gets heated by thermal conduction. True. Heat is a form of energy which always flow from hotter object to colder object. True. The thermometer has a shining thread of mercury. It is true. Due to conduction, the heat from a body can be felt at a distance. It is false. Question number 5. Answer the following question. What is the use of thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of substance. Thermometer हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? Substance का temperature find out करने के लिए. Which type of clothes gives protection from cold in weather? Woolen clothes give protection from cold in weather. Why do we wear white or light color cotton clothes during summer? White or light color cloth absorbs less amount of heat. White या light color के clothes जो होते हैं वो हीट को कम एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. सो इन समर बॉडी रिमेन्स कूल. सो दिस इज द रीजन चिल्ड्रन वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स ड्यूरिंग समर. what is use of kink और constriction in clinical thermometers? आप क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर्स में देख सकते हो कि जो मर्क्यूरी का बल्ब है उसके ऊपर एक सी शेप का क्लिंक बनाया जाता है. अ किंक और कंस्ट्रिक्शन प्रिवेंट्स द मर्क्यूरी फ्रॉम फॉलिंग डाउन इनटू द बल्ब ऑन इट्स ओन. जब हम टेम्परेचर मेजर करते हैं तो मर्क्यूरी ऊपर जाके नीचे तुरंत ना आए और वो हमें टेम्परेचर दिखाए. दैट इज वाई अ किंक इज केप्ट. State the modes of transfer of heat. There are 3 modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection and radiation. What is heat? Heat is one form of energy. What is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Give 2 examples of good conductor of heat. Copper and iron are 2 examples of good conductors of heat. Give 2 examples of each of conductors and insulators of heat. हमें दोनों के examples लिखने हैं. So good conductors of heat are copper, aluminium as well as silver and iron. Bad conductors of heat are wood, plastic, ebonite, rubber, etc. Right children? So with this we complete our session. In next session children we will discuss give reason, answer in 2 or 3 sentences and differentiate between. Thank you and have a nice day children.